My name is Matthew O'Brien, Junior in the Applied Investment Management program. The company that I will be pitching today is ACM Research, NASDAQ ticker ACMR. It has a current price of $16.18 with a price target of $29.71. ACM Research is considered domestic information technology sector. ACM Research designs, develops, and manufactures capital equipment related to cleaning wafers. Production and sales are majorly to customers in China and Taiwan. ACM Research addresses China's rapidly accelerating economy. ACM was founded in 1998 and headquartered in Fremont, California. It is recommended that ACM Research be added into the AIM Small Cap Equity portfolio. It has seen exceptional growth of revenue with a 48.06% CAGR since 2017 and a net income growth of 59.85% since they became profitable in 2017. They have several pieces of proprietary equipment with over 411 patents across US, China, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and Singapore. Their technology is proven to be superior to that of their competitors. In addition to these two, semiconductor growth is rapidly accelerating. Most modern technology contains semiconductor processing chips, with semiconductor growth projected at 9.9% between 2020 and 2025. Driver 1 is the growing semiconductor demand globally. There is an estimated 9.9% CAGR between 2020 and 2025 for wafer cleaning equipment. It is estimated that ACM Research addresses $3.7 billion of market share through wafer cleaning equipment, holding 5.1% of market share. They address $2.9 billion of market share through furnace equipment, holding 1.3% of market share, and addresses $730 million in ECP equipment, holding 4.52% share of the market. There is an increased demand in modern technologies such as cars, gaming, healthcare, military, and transportation, to list a few of the industries requiring semiconductors. With increasing capacity, ACM Research looks to achieve a growth rate above that of 9.9%. ACM Research has focused on building a portfolio of intellectual property. They have issued over 411 patents internationally, with their number one technology being the space alternated phase shift technology, proven to clean contaminants more effectively than other cleaning devices. Some other devices they have patents on are their timely engaged bubble oscillation, Tahoe technology, and ECP technology. In 2021, ACM added 136,000 square foot of production capacity from 100,000 in 2020. They began production of a 1 million square foot facility in 2020 to further support developing these technologies. ACM Research's third and final driver is their made-to-order business model. They save capital by producing unnecessary inventory as they research, develop, and manufacture technologies based on specific customer needs. This also increases their competitive edge as it becomes difficult for competitors to dislodge their operations. Using a DCF model, a price to earnings relative valuation, and an enterprise value to sales relative valuation, I came up with a price target of $30.04, representing an upside of 85.69% from its current price of $16.18. The DCF assumed that they had a weighted average cost of capital of 9.16% with a terminal growth rate of 1.25%. Using sensitivity analysis, a price of between $29.62 and $48.91 was reached. One of the risks ACM Research faces is failed product development, as they only develop products based on a customer's specifications. There may be costs incurred that never recognize revenue, as unsuccessful developments are not sold. Another risk that ACM may face is the COVID-19 pandemic in China. China gives very hard lockdowns relative to the United States, so if COVID lockdowns prevail in China, operations may be affected. In addition to these two, ACM has a very small number of customers. A total of 2 customers accounted for 48.9% of revenue in 2021. If one decides to discontinue business, operations may be affected. David Wang is the founder, president, and chief executive officer of ACM Research. Mr. Wang received his PhD and Master of Engineering from Osaka University. Mark McKechnie is the chief financial officer and treasurer. He has experience in product management and corporate finance. Jim Wang is the Vice President of Research and Development, previously Director for Research and Development of Shanghai. A live Q&A session will be on May 6, 2022. For questions, please email me at matthew.o'brien@marquette.edu.